welcome to our first day at Disneyland Paris in 2023. We had a lovely sleep in this Ibis, I keep sneezing, this Ibis budget hotel near the motorway over there. Really good sleep, really easy and really affordable if it's just a stop off point. So we are heading now on to Disneyland Paris, which is from here about a 19-minute drive according to the Google Maps. It's a 19-minute drive, it's basically motorways all the way. Then we'll be stopping off at the Disney Cheyenne where we'll put our stuff down, and then we will head off to the park straight away to get as much as we can into the day. Oscar is over here already.
Yes, we've only got 10 more minutes.
Are you excited? So Oscar has actually been to Disney before, but he can't remember.
It was 1 or 2.
One. You were 1.
You were just under 2, you were nearly 2.
Yeah. No, he would have been 2.
No, he wasn't, because he got a free seat on the plane, and when you're over 2, you don't.
Oh yeah, because we went in June, his birthday's in April, so he would have been just 1, yeah. Anyway, so we're going to have a great day today. We've got to just drive out of the car park and pack all of our stuff up, which isn't too bad. And we'll be off to Disneyland Paris. Good morning, we are here now. We're going to Disneyland Paris. So we're just going to pull forward so we can get in a bit easier. Daddy's just there. We've got all the bags. Oscar is loving Captain Underpants at the moment, aren't you? Our favourite movie. There's the hotel over there.
But, because I love Captain Underpants.
Ibis Budget Hotel. Only €79.
Because they have Captain Underpants, they have a Captain Underpants screensaver.
Yes, you do, don't you? Mummy, are you excited for the day?
Oh, I am! I can't
So exciting. Well, we haven't been to Disney since 2018. Hopefully next year we'll be going to Disney World, which will be lovely, obviously. Obviously go on a plane for that, obviously won't drive, obviously. But everything's so exciting. So excited on travel day. It's going to be such a great day. Going on Dumbo, going on Buzz Lightyear, all of those. Some classic Disney rides. Here me and Oscar are sat in the back, ready to go to Disney.
Yeah.
Oh, you're really excited, aren't you? Oscar wants to go on the Buzz ride, the Dumbo ride. I want to go. We're going to get some special Mickey waffles today, hopefully.
Yeah, and hopefully we're going to get so we get to spend €100
in the Disney store.
Yeah, so that means £100, but in France we call it euros.
They do, don't they? Like dollars and things like that. So I want to go today on Spaceship Mountain, which is called Hyperspace Mountain in Paris, based on Star Wars.
I'm not allowed
Oscar's not going to go on that. Well, you can, but you just don't want to.
No, it's just I don't like the fast rides. He only likes slow rides.
Right.
Plus, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spend we might go to.
We're going to go to the Disney store tomorrow, aren't we?
Yes. No, today.
Is it today?
Yeah. Mummy, are we going to the Disney store today? Because you said. She said probably.
Well,
yes.
anyway, we are super excited, so let's get on the road and go to Disneyland. Welcome to the Disneyland Paris Hotel, Cheyenne.
It's not the Disneyland Paris Hotel.
Yes, it is.
No, but we're not. That's not.
Here we go. So now we have to. So we have arrived at the Disney Hotel Cheyenne. We're very excited, aren't we, Oscar?
Yeah.
Not much parking for how many cars there are. We're about to do check-in now. I don't even know where check-in is. We've stayed here once before when I was about 3, so a while ago. But we're
He's 12 now, so about
9 years ago.
yeah.
Well, we're super excited, aren't we, Oscar? And these are like the rooms. You stay in one of these. So I'm going to get some new ears because my ears now don't fit me because I haven't been for so long. So I'll see you all later. Bye. So here's Oscar.
We're not buying anything yet.
We're not buying anything yet because
Browsing.
we're only browsing. Look at all the decoration, Oscar. God, it's evolved since I was
This is
last
the
in
thing I
here.
really wanted, guys.
It doesn't do anything though. I think it's just like a. Look at these, Oscar. Look at the toy cars. Oh, look at these handcuffs. Maybe I should get these for Oscar. Just been to the shop, haven't we?
Yeah, and I've bought this key ring and this alien key ring, and Josh has bought this lanyard.
I brought a Disneyland Paris lanyard, and I'm going to start doing some pin collecting.
Joshua has spended.
I don't know.
Focus.
I spended 7.
There you go. And they've brought that one that's there. Anyway, so the plan is now, Daddy just needs to plug in the car at the Cheyenne EV parking, and then we will be on our way to the Disneyland Paris parking, to the Disneyland park. Oh look, there's some horses over here, so hopefully we know the way to get there. So on we go. Here we go. We are off on our walk now, aren't we? Our short walk. We are already almost at the Hotel Cheyenne, Hotel Avengers Hotel. Oscar is super excited.
Yes, I am. I've already spent £7.
I should have spent 30.
I spent 30 on some key rings. Right, well, we'll see you later.
I spent 7 on key rings. He spent 30.
So bye.
Bye.
So now we have arrived at the Avengers Hotel just here. Our Newport Bay is on the other side. So we have arrived in Disneyland Paris. Space Mountain. I am never going on that again. Felt so sick at one point. My word. Right, anyway, Oscar and Daddy have just been on Buzz Lightyear again, and we went on that before. Oscar loved it. What are we planning to go on now?
Oh, I don't know. I think we're going to go.
What's got on the car, Ryan?
Maybe go on something calm.
What's got on the? Yeah, jeez. Felt awful, but it just kept putting you back.
I thought it was great.
It was awful. I hated it, and I felt nauseous. At one point, I couldn't shut my mouth. Right, well, I'll show you. I don't know. All right, I'll see you later. So we have our own boats.
We're going on It's a Small World.
We are.
And it's an auto ride.
Look, but it's not. It's
Guys,
not.
look.
Here we go.
With Big Ben Oski.
good ride. We were very slow because we were the only people on the boat. Anyway, we're off to Dumbo now.
Husky. Hello.
Hello.
We're really low. It's Husky.
Hello.
Up we go. Oh, we're finished.
We just had a very good ride on Dumbo there.
Yeah, the big bucket.
And now we are heading on to Pirates of the Caribbean. On we go to Pirates of the Caribbean. So we've just been on Pirates of the Caribbean, and Oscar didn't really like it, did you, Oscar?
Stop playing that, please.
Oscar really didn't like the drop, so Oscar's having a bit of a cry about it. Hey ho. So what we're doing now is we're going to go and get some waffles.
Look at that Mickey.
We're going to go and get some waffles. And
Is that how you wanted him, yeah? With his sword, is that right?
we're going to go and get some waffles, then we're going to go on Peter Pan, and then we are going to go to Main Street to get some autograph books and some ears.
Today I got this from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean,
And,
which you did not like.
I didn't like the ride, but it wasn't that very good. But I got this teddy.
He's nice, isn't he?
I got it for £12. Me and Joshua have €70 left.
Right, say goodbye. So we have arrived at the waffle place. We are all having waffles with Nutella. €5 for 3 waffles. Not too bad if I do say so myself. And we're going to sit down here now and enjoy these waffles just from over there in Adventureland. Here we go, here are the waffles. Daddy's got some with cream and Nutella. Mummy's got Nutella. And Oscar has got Nutella. Let's dive in. And we're going to Pirates of the Caribbean. We're actually going to go and watch one of the shows. Dream and Shine Brighter 30th anniversary. And then we will get an autograph book, and then we'll go to Peter Pan, and then we'll go and meet Mickey. Great day so far, got on so many rides, and hopefully loads more.
All right, everybody, it's time to dream bigger! Oh, c'est génial! C'est ce qu'on appelle une fête! Vous voulez? C'est facile, il suffit de rêver d'aventure! Mais c'est génial!
Wow, green's my favourite colour.
So we had another good ride on Buzz there. Now the plan is we're going to go to Autopia now, the small little cars. We crashed.
So Joshua thinks that he is a better driver than me. Yet he has already crashed the car into the back of Joshua and Oscar. Look! Oscar!
Point it that way. Look at fast when you get the room.
My word, it's like wacky races. So there's Joshua. Don't have to quite drive quite so vigorously.
Crashed. We full on crashed.
We full on crashed.
Daddy, wait there.
That's it, round the bend. No.
Daddy.
I think Daddy's trying to assist Oscar in driving. Can't go a bit faster. Oscar, don't. What would you say to me? Hands on the steering wheel.
Daddy, wait.
There's Oscar.
Daddy, wait there. Wait.
There's Oscar and Daddy. Cautiously going round the corner. Here they are. Right, smile.
I don't like how there's no brake.
Foot off. My good Lord. Oh, I mean, this isn't relaxed. I used to take great granddad round here, Joshua. Come on. Joshua's desperate to use the horn. There's Oscar and Daddy.
be a faster way of doing this.
I think this is quite nice.
Oscar, wait! Oscar, wait! Woo! Oscar, wait there! Oscar, brake! Oscar, brake!
I don't think he's listening, he's
Oscar,
driving.
brake! Oh, just curved it!
Oh!
Come on!
Right, we're going into park now, aren't we? Oh, woo! Oh my gosh.
So we're off to the Snow White ride, then the Pinocchio ride, then the Peter Pan ride, then the Mickey, Meet Mickey, then the Haunted Mansion ride, and then potentially Full Our Magic.
Look at the dwarfs, Oski. The dwarfs. Guess this one down the truth, but in the dwarf mine. Dwarf mine.
We are now off onto Peter Pan the ride. There we go. We're now off to Peter Pan the ride after an awful experience of Snow White. So fast and no story to it. So we're going to be meeting Mickey now.
So I got this it's a notebook, but there's no autograph. Yeah, there's no autograph books. We're about to see Mickey, and I'm gonna ask him to draw his autograph.
Sit and then we have to wait there. That's it.
Hey everyone.
Got your hat? Yeah. Oh, see. You have one.
It's the same as yours, isn't it? Are you really surprised that you got to meet him?
You see, Mickey, but me and Oscar thoroughly enjoyed that, didn't we, Oscar?
Like that.
Oscar loved that. We'll have to go and see Mickey again another time. That was amazing. We'll see him every single day. Right, well, we will see you. Where are we going now?
And
Should we show them? Should we show them?
I got this autograph from
Got
Mickey.
the autograph.
Come to this side.
It's very good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, me and Daddy, or me and Mummy, I don't know, are going to be heading on the Haunted Mansion, the Phantom Manor here at Disneyland Paris, and we're just going to have some more fun on this wonderful day here at the Disneyland Paris Resort. So we are now headed to Phantom Manor after a lovely meet and greet with Mickey. You would have seen a video of that, hopefully. So yeah, Phantom Manor, a new one. Hopefully not too scary.
Welcome, all our ghosts, and die to meet you.
So we've been on the Phantom Manor, as you would have seen some clips. Wasn't that scary, really?
No, it wasn't.
It's a very big ride.
It's a huge ride.
A very big ride.
It was more of just storytelling.
More just storytelling. It was not really very scary.
Apart from when the ghost came on.
Yeah, I didn't film that. Anyway, so what the plan is now, we're going to go see where Oscar and Daddy is, and then we'll be going on Big Thunder Mountain. So we've just been on Big Thunder Mountain, thoroughly enjoyed that. Another great ride behind us just there. Yeah, we're off to go and watch the Lion King show now, which is super exciting. After that, Oscar will then go on Buzz, and I will go and watch the great film thing, Magic, which is at Disney World. So we know sort of what that'd be like, but there might be some things that are a bit different, some things that are the same. So I will see you in a little bit when we are watching the Lion King show here at Disneyland Paris in France. Frontier Theatre, the Lion King spectacular show. Really good. Would have put some clips in there. We're now heading on to Autopia for our last ride of the day before we head over to Annette's, where we will be having dinner there tonight, and then we will be going back to the lovely Hotel Cheyenne. Before that, let's go to Autopia. Great ride on Autopia. The cars there. Oscar, did you bump me at all?
It's because, guys, Joshua kept stopping, which made us bump into him.
Right, anyway, we're going to head out now and go to the amazing restaurant called Annette's Roller Skating Heroes. First day at Disneyland Park has come to a fine end.
Yes. It'll be all brand new, won't it?
Here we go, so we're going to take it to Annette's.
Alright, so all the way around there.
Just have arrived. Oscar's got his hot dog main, apple juice,
Hash browns.
hash browns, Fanta,
Hash browns as well, we're all going for the same.
Coke, hash browns, apple juice. We'll update you when we have our mains. Really good hash browns, top class. To film our dinner. However,
So you're filming mine?
Here's Mummy's leftovers, and then here's Daddy's leftovers, and then there's my leftover. That little burger piece just there. What do we all think of the dinner?
Oh, fantastic. Yeah, very good.
Mummy?
Very, very good. Gonna have fudge cake now.
I thought that the dinner
space for a cake, but I'm doing
the dinner was average, not fantastic, not as juicy as a Five Guys or a Wendy's, but pretty good. On to pudding. Desserts have arrived. Please note those lovely pancakes with syrup, ice cream, Oreo stuff. Oh, it was delicious anyway. Did not come in the dining plan.
Yours will be here in a minute.
Fudge cake, ice cream, and ice cream. It's pretty cold outside now. We're about to go to the Disney store here at Disneyland Paris. It's the big one. I'm going to continue my
That big circle.
pin collecting from earlier and get maybe some more Mickeys and potentially a notebook. We had a great time in Disney today. We really enjoyed it. We went on so many rides and we thoroughly enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next video for Disney Day 2.